Hi, I'm Jake Hill, driving for MB Motorsport in the British Touring Car Championship, and I've popped up to Cobra Sport here in Sheffield today on my way up to Croft for round 7 of the Touring Car Championship to see what it's all about, see how the exhausts are made, see exactly what they do here, so I'm really excited. So I just want to say a massive thank you to Cobra Sport for showing me around today. I've done some really cool things I've never done before. I've packed some resonators, done some welding, even some bending, packing. So it's really nice to see the whole process here and what goes into, you know, making your exhausts back at home and getting them delivered to you and made. So big thank you to everyone at Cobra Sport.